Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why is my rice still hard after cooking? If the rice is mushy and hard, it means you have overcooked the rice and have also allowed it to sit in the pressure cooker container for too long. So, make sure you add a little less water next time. Apart from this, you should also check the quality of rice you're using for the cooking purpose. What does undercooked rice taste like? Eating undercooked rice is okay the next day for lunch, just that it might taste a little crunchy. There is one thing to be careful about undercooked rice, that if it is not stored properly, bacteria could develop in it. You might get some indigestion. If you have diverticulitis, it could act like a seed and get stuck. Can I eat crunchy rice? It was good idea to not eat the rice due to it being crunchy though. That's not necessarily unsafe either, it's just unappetizing. It's not that they are very dangerous to eat, but still, if they are eaten in large amount, they cause pain in your belly. A bit of it won't affect much. How do you know if rice is undercooked? When rice is cooking, it will start to become slightly translucent and look softer at the edges. However, serving it now would be far too soon, as the rice will not be fully cooked. This is because whilst the edges may have softened, the middle will be raw if still opaque.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.